Everybody have the logic in there? Good. Scott? Luis?
I'm working on it.
Once you get those in there, go ahead and finalize all edits. This arrow right here on the edit toolbar, this arrow to the right, finalize all edits. Say yes. Mhm. It's on that toolbar, and it's. This is your edit toolbar.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Everybody's good. You guys good, back row?
Luis got lost on it. How does that logic work?
Oh, it's gonna hit start and turn from there.
Yeah, once we test this thing, that stop button will be happy. Yeah. At least I hope it is. Should work. Let's go back to our HMI project. And go ahead and grab the select tool. And go ahead and assign those two buttons. Go ahead and assign those two buttons.
Why do I not have a separate window? Yeah. And then what is that? That's just something I need to do. Go back to
What if it's signing it to sense?
Why is it a circle? Because it can.
Click state now, click OK, it should show that.
what did I do wrong? Anybody?
I'm old enough to either.
So, where's my other?
Just go ahead. Should be no problem. Yeah.
I don't get it, but the HMI, yeah, I don't know.
Did everybody assign those two buttons? You'll have to refresh all folders again, since we changed the tag database, the tag tables.
I think I did.
You'll have to hit the refresh button.
I'm not sure. I think I did.
If you didn't get it, follow along up here. Double click on the start button, double click. Everything's done except for assigning a tag. So let's go to the connections tab. Click the three little dots or plus, whatever they are, plus sign, I guess.
Ellipsis, I think they call it.
Ellipsis.
I don't know, I think that's what it is.
The dot, dot, dot.
Dot, dot, dot.
That's what, the guy at Swing Blade said, dot, dot, dot. You don't say the dot, dot, dot.
Is everybody here? Click refresh all folders. How does that work?
Nothing happens.
Like, once you refresh, just click
It should refresh and you should pull in your HMI tags.
Yes,
Good? Go ahead and grab the HMI Start PB. Click OK, apply, OK. Now go ahead and assign the stop. Assign a tag, get the tag for the stop, push button.
stop inside the whole window, and then just okay it or quiet, okay?
Yep. Is everybody, you guys good back there?
Good.
You
But I
guys?
did it.
Which button are we on now?
Just go ahead and sign them both.
And will it give you the pop-up and then it's changed? Or down the bottom?
Yeah.
That's exactly what I'm
Paid attention to this. Everybody good?
Good enough.
Good enough? Moving on. Okay, we have two screens, a level 1 screen, main screen, and a level 2 screen, and control screen. Now, we have the screen, but here's the problem. When we boot this HMI up, it's gonna default to this main screen, right?
Yes.
There's no way to get back and forth to the screen.
Next.
That's exactly right. The first thing we have to do though is save this screen. So, see it's untitled right now? Click the little save disk in thing up here. And it's gonna ask you for a name. Just say, control. Component name, control. Okay. Alright. Now we need to add a button down here to get back to the other screen. So in objects, the objects menu at the top,
Display navigation.
yes, display navigation. We're gonna use the go-to, yeah, it's more flexible, that way you can go to any screen. We're gonna grab a go-to button. Where should buttons be placed? Navigation buttons?
The bottom, left and right.
Bottom right. Bottom right. Actually, the control button should be down on the bottom, but that's fine for what we're doing today. So yeah, navigation should be placed at the bottom right. Let's see, is everything good on the first general tab? Yes, I think so. The label.
Leave the general as is.
Yeah. We'll just leave it as is.
Label.
Label, let's call it main, since we're gonna go for our home. What's better for you? Main?
That's what we got the first
Yeah.
one named.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Our caption color is white, that's fine. Common, you don't need anything there. Connections, we don't need anything there. Let's go back to the general tab, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. In the display settings area, we've got to tell it which display we want to go to. So click on that, click main. Everybody here?
Yep.
Okay. Click OK, and then click apply, and OK. And go ahead and save that screen again. Click save. And now go back to your main screen display and add a button in to get to that other display. So we need to add another button, you have to get to the control
Do
screen.
we need to move that shutdown button or leave it where it is?
Yeah, for what we're doing today, that's fine. Go ahead and add in a button on the main screen to get to the control screen.
Are we going bottom left or just side shutdown?
Bottom right, yeah. Yep. Side shutdown.
That would actually be a dangerous practice for them to so
I
close
know, I
together.
put it across from it.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, for what we're doing today, yeah, perfectly fine. We're just trying to get a feel for this stuff.
And So under display, put it to, go to control.
Yep.
Nothing under connections, labels, just put control.
Yep.
Okay, oh, if you're getting hit apply, just hit okay with it.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Then hit save again.
Yep, go ahead and save that screen. So every time you make a change, get in the habit of saving the screen. Well, you'll see later on what's gonna happen. Are we ready to move along?
Let's go.
Okay. Now, we're gonna test our application. Before, and here's the good thing about it, we can test this thing before we download it. If something's wrong with it, when you test it, it'll tell you. But if you just download it, it's not gonna tell you, and then you got a problem, and you gotta go back, and it's a big pain. So to test the application, there's a little running man up here. I think it says test application.
Yeah.
And go ahead and click on that, but watch that very closely as you get a little screen that comes up. Watch it closely, you'll see a highlighted yellow message. That's key information. Say
Oh my
yes.
God, my computer was.
Do a yes on that prompt.
Okay.
Starting application.
We have a problem.
Yep. Watch for the yellow message.
What's he gonna do?
Typex to shut
Oh,
down.
Yeah. Because you'll get in there and you'll be running around in circles trying to figure out how to shut this thing down.
So we have to type X to shut it down.
Yes.
So do we need to do that now?
Not right now.
Yeah, right now. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. Okay,
Mine,
right now,
oh crap.
there's our main screen. Let's go to, I'll tell you what, even better. Let's make sure, hey, my HMI stop button's not working. Go ahead and click on control.
No working.
No. Okay.
All it did was give me the window.
Sometimes they work. Okay, yeah, you see what I did? Click on stop, just keep clicking on stop. And look at Studio 5000 and make sure you get that stop.
Oh, okay. So we need to-
Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't in this software. I don't know, certain buttons placed up.
It says unable to open display does not exist.
You didn't save it.
I told it to. It even said it
Is
did.
this not downloaded on your?
Mine.
Just click yes.
What's the application that is currently open?
That's
What in the world?
This is,
I just got it.
should we be in run on, remote run?
Oh,
Remote run.
Houston, Jimmy got a problem.
Yes, I got a problem. I'm ready to get that.
There was an error message up there. It couldn't reach a tag or something, so you might have to stop. Yeah.
Whenever I hit stop, it just drops me out of Studio 5000. It should be here, right?
Where's your runtime? Is it control? What's control? You're actually not reading. See it here, so you have it cited.
Okay, so go here,
You'll have
property.
you'll have to exit that runtime. Keyboard.
I just put.
X.
Computer. X.
Oh, who got
please?
Yeah, there you go, quick.
States, state one.
Yeah, probably.
I wonder if I have to be online.
HMI stop.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have to
That's you. Oh, wait, no.
shit it.
Never mind.
I guess it's refreshing.
Okay, you guys keep going.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.